Hi, my name is Will Harris, a member here at Living Grace Church. Came to the health fair today and met with Brian, and Brian showed me T-Gon. And after, well, when I first got here, I had my blood pressure checked. It was 153 over 86. I came in and I spent a few minutes with Brian, and I went back out and I had my blood pressure rechecked again. And this time it was 122 over 70. Qigong works. I'm
And
very excited about it.
how are those knees feeling?
My knees are feeling fantastic.
Okay, good to
Yeah.
go. Okay.
This is a very good program.
Okay.
It really works.
All right. Thank you so much, sir, and we're glad you're open to come by and visit us today.
Thank you, sir,
Okay.
for that opportunity.